Hello guys, in today's tutorial we shall be designing a business card. So a business card has two ends. You have the front end and the back end. Now these two ends has different information which they carry. The front end can carry maybe your logo and your website, while the back end carries information like your email, your contact, and so on. It also carries your logo. So we shall be looking today on how to design first the front end of a business card. What you have to know is that you have to choose your dimension and the default dimension. If you don't know the dimension of a business card, you can go on Google and ask. You can ask on Google the dimension of a business card they will give you. But in this tutorial, the default dimension we'll be using will be 1000 by 650. So you just go at the top of the working space, you click on the three dots, you go to image size, set the width to 1000, set the height to 250. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now is to choose our background color. Yeah, so you can choose any background color, but for me I will take blue. So click over here, I go to color, take blue color. Let me take thick blue. Yes, let me take this one. So the next thing is for me to bring in my logo now. So bring in my logo. Since I have to put my logo in front, bring in my logo from gallery. As you can see, this is my logo, and you have to know your logo have to be transparent. This is a transparent version of my logo. Yeah, so I'll minimize it. So I must make sure that it aligns at the center. So I come over here to relative position. Make sure I align it at the center. Yeah. So that's it. So the next thing is for me to input my website. As of now, we don't have a website, but I will just give something virtually. Digiven Enterprise. So we reduce a size. Just leave it at 20 and make sure it aligns at the center. I have to take it up a bit. Okay. So that is it. So at the front end, you don't have much work to do. But now we can decide to leave the business card like this. That's the front end design. But for me, I don't want to leave it like this. I want to give it, something unique. I want to give it, I want to beautify the card. I want to give it a unique design. So let me just put in one or two stuffs in order to beautify it. Come on to shape. Let me just choose this one. Okay, I'll place it here. I must also make sure that it aligns at the center. Okay, let me just leave like this. Okay, now let me input shadow on it. Let me put a shadow. Yeah, at 12, it's okay like that. Now we'll give it a copy. I will do same on the other side. Just go onto my 3D rotate. Make sure I rotate through an angle of 480 degrees. And I want to make sure that the one on the left hand side aligns with the one on the right hand side. So I'll go onto my grid, click on the grid lines. In order to ensure that they align at the center, I just arrange it. Okay, now they align the center. I think this is good. This is okay. Yeah, yeah. I think this is okay. Let me just shift this one inside a bit. Yeah, I think this is okay. So this is the front end of our business card. So you see that it does not have much work. Yeah, you don't have to do something more complicated. Yeah, so all I need from you now is to design the front end of a business card. You might not do the same. Remember, as I will always say, if you don't have an idea on how to design anything, just go on Google and ask. You will see different sort of designs, and from there you can choose one. You do the same, or you try to modify to your own taste. So we are moving straight away to designing the back end. And first of all, I want to save this card. I will come up here, I will save as project. Let me save it as my font. Let me just put font. Okay, that will download it. After saving, I will download as an image. The quality, I will choose ultra. I will save as an image. So that is the end. Thank you very much for watching.